Hey, this is Pete Flacco Crowfoot with CA Energy Green Solutions. And today what we're here is we're looking at a substrate surface which is stucco. And what has happened here is the moisture barriers have been broken down. As you can see, the integrity has been compromised of the initial stuff used in concrete building systems. Now, to point at phrase, what has happened is the moisture's traveled and come up through here, and the cement substrate surface is literally wigging out. And to translate that in a different term, it's wicking out. What's happening, just like a candle with the oil, drawing it all up, what you've got right here, you've got moisture penetrating, calling up, and causing this surface to break down. Now here's the solution, okay? Fertile Coat Architectural Coating has a perfect product and a solution for this. And what we see upon initial inspection over here is a separation of the textured surface from the substrate area. And what we're going to do to correct this problem is very simple. The surface will be clean to loosen up any of this loose debris. Very, very important when you're doing this surface, all of you do-it-yourselfers out there, to clean this surface really, really good. Get rid of all this loose texture, all the mold and the dirt. After the preparation is complete, we're going to apply a strong, flexible, adhesive coat that dries to a sticky surface. Following that application, we'll apply our flexible ceramic finish coat, and what that's going to do is it's literally going to encapsulate, okay, the surface. So this surface is going to be completely breathable to eliminate this problem from reoccurring. The key word here is from reoccurring. This is going to be a little more expensive process. We're here in real time at Norcrest at a plant that they're retaining our services. It's going to be a little more upfront cost, but it's going to be less in the long run, and it's going to be maintenance free. So let's just walk and look at this whole thing. We've got over here in real time over 2,500 square feet. Okay? And what we'll do is we'll come back after we're finished, and we're going to show you the finished product. That's all for today, folks.